Okay, so it is Sunday, September 28th at 9:30 p.m. And today I'm starting the series. So I went to Five Below in Dollar Tree earlier and picked up a few things. I got this strobe light. I'm not sure where I'm going to put it in the haunt yet, but it's really cool. It works pretty well. I can demonstrate it for you guys maybe later in the video. Got some of these floating candle things that they sell. I was thinking I could use this for a certain area. I will explain my plans for the haunt in the next clip. And some of these chains that I'm going to hang from places that you're going to have to walk past. And I grabbed 3 of them. Might grab more later because they're only $1.50. But yeah, that's all I got for today. So let's cut to hopefully tomorrow, the next clip. I ended up actually skipping a couple days. Today is Thursday, October 2nd, so I don't have much time to get this whole thing together. But let me go over the plans for the actual haunt part. As you can see, leaves have started falling, which is pretty cool. But right here in this area of the yard, so I've got like this whole area to work with. This area of the yard is going to be a tunnel made of spider web. So kind of like a spider tunnel you're going to have to push through, spider eggs and stuff like that. It'll be kind of spooky, no jump scares or anything. Then this area right here, which is a walkway to my backyard, I'm going to cover that up and everything, is going to be a demon/hell themed area. I'm probably going to put fire demon over there or over here. I'm not too sure yet. I'm going to hang chains and floating candles from the branches, get a bunch of firelights. It should look pretty decent at the end. I'm going to hopefully be able to cover up some of this stuff. It's going to be pretty short this year, so I'll have something pointing you this way, hopefully. And lead you into the forest, which I'm going to have to create like a pathway markers for. But it's just going to be general forest themed area. Hopefully I might put Fear Valley Wolf right here. If not, Fear Valley Wolf will go right here or maybe somewhere over there. I might want to try to get an actor in here. I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to do that, but it'll essentially just be a calm kind of walk through the forest. Maybe another prop here. I don't know actually who I would put here yet. And you kind of just walk out of the forest through here. I'm gonna have to cut a lot of that, like whatever the heck these plants are. And you just exit through here and you get back to the sidewalk. So that is my plans for this year. Okay, so the first thing that I'm gonna do is build the spider tunnel, which is a greenhouse archway kind of thing. And I'm going to be showing you guys me building it, probably a time lapse of me building it. It will go right here, that area. I don't know if the camera caught it, to be honest. But yeah, let's skip to the time lapse. Okay, so this is what I got so far. It is bigger than I actually expected. Like if you can see right here, it's pretty big. My arm cannot reach this far. It's about 7 feet wide, I'm pretty sure. Not everything's secure. Some of them don't even have screws in right now. So it's not very safe to walk through. I mean, like, yeah, it's safe. But if there's gonna be people getting scared in here, then it's not very safe for it being that shaky. I'll try to secure it more tomorrow, but I'm mostly just gonna move it around a little bit today. Try to get it into a better position to go into the hell scene over there. Okay, I changed the placement a little bit. This should be the final placement. Only problem that I have with it is it's not that tall. It is 6 feet tall, so there might be a few people who have to duck under it. But, I mean, that kind of does add to the experience, you know? Having to duck and kind of halfway crawl through this giant tunnel full of spider web and giant spiders. I'm probably going to use like the thing that it comes with, because it has like a door part. I'm not going to use any of the windows. All that stuff's going to get covered up probably. It's either that or I cover it in plastic wrap. I'm not sure which one I'm going to do yet. But if I did use that, I would have to cut a hole to act as a door into the hell scene, which wouldn't be that difficult, and I think it would work, to be honest. Alright, so today is Sunday. I actually don't remember the date, but quite a bit of progress has been made. So I actually changed plans. We're moving this spider tunnel to right here, and this is going to be the walkthrough area. It's going to, at the end, have a scary scene scarecrow. Graveyard is not at all finished. We need to get more stuff for graveyard on this side. All that we have here is fire demon on this side and 3 little skull stacks. He works really well here. Little fences here. Then there's this tombstone that has green lights on it. I think that one actually broke, but I don't know. Just a few little tombstones. I customized this guy a little bit. I added like chains and veil over his face. This might have the strobe light on it. I'm not sure. Another tombstone. This is the current situation with this guy and cemetery angel. So I have a few things to set up still, but I should be finished relatively soon. Okay, so I know I was supposed to get this video out almost 2 weeks ago now, so a little late with that, but I'm thinking I'm going to end the video here. I'm going to continue working on the display off camera, you know, changing stuff up, going to stores. You'll see a Spirit Halloween store tour drop soon, and I might start just posting these weekly on Tuesdays, since I'm posting this one on Tuesday. But yeah, sorry for making you guys wait, if you guys were waiting at all. But see you guys in another video. Make sure to like and subscribe if you enjoyed, and yeah, I'll see you guys in part 2.